Data analytics is the fastest growing job in 2025. The salary range can be between 4 to 8 LPA for entry-level profile in India. The range can go up to 16 to 25 LPA for experienced one. And in US, the average salary for a data analytics is almost around $90K, making it most high demand job in the industry right now. In my last video, a lot of you asked me to create an entire roadmap of data analytics. Today, in this video, I'm going to tell you the entire roadmap. Now, if you are a freshers, then the roadmap is for you. If you are working professionals, or maybe you are in between switching careers, then this roadmap is also for you. So I am going to make the roadmap in such a way that it can work for a beginner as well as for someone who is already in the industry. Hey everyone, I am Shubhrajit Basu. Welcome to Analytics Everywhere. I have close to 9+ years of experience in data and analytics. I have worked with multiple companies including Flipkart, and from my experience, I am going to talk about the ultimate roadmap for data and analytics. Alright, let's begin. These are the must-know skills every data analyst should have, irrespective of your background. Start with Excel. Yeah, I know. Excel is a tool that's going to die and all. No, Excel is gonna stay, and with the help of AI, the integrations we are having right now, Excel is gonna be a very important tool. Learn from data cleaning to pivot tables to all the functions like VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, if else, and conditional formatting. Also, you should learn the Power Excel, like the Power Pivot Table, and you will thank me later for this. And then you should also have idea about the Excel shortcut, because it's gonna save you a lot of time. Then once you are done with Excel, you should move on to the most important tool of the data analytics journey is the SQL. Now if you ask me that, hey, what is the one tool if I have to pick from out of the entire universe, then I'll pick only SQL. Learn the basic SQL like the select clause, where clause, from clause, basic of database, what type of databases we have, and all the like aggregations, functions, group by, order by, and all this thing. Then we have something called intermediate, where joins, a type of joins, and then CTs and subqueries. And in the advanced level, learn about the Windows functions, the regular expressions, recursives, CTs, and all these things. Now you should not only learn SQL, you should try to implement with the data and try to solve a problem through that. Your job is not only to find answer. Your job also includes to represent the number in such a manner that can easily be consumable for your stakeholders or the client. And for that, you should have a knowledge of any of the data visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. Now, if you personally ask me, I would say go with Power BI, because you have already an idea of Excel. Power BI is from Microsoft. It has a lot of good integrations, and with the development in AI, Copilot and all these things is getting integrated in Power BI. Next up is Python. Python automates the repetitive task and handle a huge data sets. Learn Python for that. You should learn Pandas for data cleaning, NumPy for all the calculations, and then for data visualizations you should learn Seaborn and Matplotlib. The next one is statistics and mathematics. Okay, now you should know the elementary mathematics, and also you should have idea of basic of statistics. Now when I say basic, like you should know at least what is mean, median, mode, what is correlations, what is covariance, and standard deviations, and then you should know what is hypothesis testing. This is what turns number into meaning. If you are starting out, this is enough for you, but here is one more thing you should also keep in mind. One is project, and second one is networking. You can see that as like projects equal to proof, networking equal to opportunity. Now when I say project, you should have at least 4 to 5 projects. It can be guided and unguided or mix of that, and you should have a portfolio where you can showcase your all of the project, and your project should have like a different domain and different industry. And for networking, you should be active on LinkedIn, you should have good profile, and a good resume can fetch you a job. Once you are on your path, working on data analytics, then the next step comes, which is the intermediate steps, or after that you should also upskill yourself. You should also know the AI, because AI is going to replace a lot of manual work, so you should have knowledge on AI. And second should be very important is business knowledge. You should have very in-depth business knowledge, because without a business knowledge you cannot solve a problem. So this is very must know. And then obviously you should know more in-depth SQL queries, and also how you can optimize the queries and you can bring more values through that in the business. On top of that, you should also add, or you should have a basic ETL knowledge, like you should know how the pipeline works, or you can also like have an idea of pipeline. And this is gonna help you to level up your intermediate level of data analytics journey. And finally, if you are someone who is already having a good experience, trying to move a little bit up, then you should add something like more advanced statistics. You can add a machine learning, basic of machine learning. You should know how the model works, how you can tune the model, and on that also you should have some bit of a knowledge on cloud databases, because everything is gonna be on the cloud in future. By 2027, a lot of our data are going to be on cloud. So you should have a knowledge on cloud. Like for example, you should know at least one of the databases, like Databricks, Snowflakes, or Redshift. Out of these, you should know at least one of these. And then finally, all these things, and you should add something on AI and automation as well, like how you can leverage your AI on your organization to automate that tool. Also, I have made videos on Power BI learning. If you're someone looking for how to learn Power BI, you can check out my video. And thank you so much for watching. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. If you have still more, you can put it on the comment. I'll make sure that I'll reply your comment on that, and I'll see you in the next video.